हमने अहमदाबाद एयर इंडिया हादसे को बहुत संजीदगी से लिया है। राममोहन नायडू, इस मामले पर मुकम्मल और तफसीली तहकीकात की जा रही है। मरकजी होम सेक्रेटरी की सदारत में एक आला सतही कमेटी कायम की गई है। ये कमेटी 3 माह के अंदर अपनी तहकीकात मुकम्मल करके रिपोर्ट पेश करेगी। रिपोर्ट मौसूल होने के बाद कसूरवारों के खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी। हुकूमत की अव्वलीन तरजीह हिफाजती इक़दामात को यकीनी बनाना है। तमाम पहलुओं से वाक़ये की बारीकी से जांच की जाएगी। हम मुतासिरा खानदानों के साथ हमदर्दी का इजहार करते हैं।
Last 2 days have been very difficult, especially in the ministry and for everyone else. The accident that has happened near Ahmedabad airport shook the entire nation. And my deepest condolences to all the families who have lost their loved ones in the incident. I have also personally lost my father in a road accident. So to a certain extent I can understand the pain and anguish that the family members are feeling. And in fact it was a moment of shock right after we got to know about the incident. But even in that disbelief, I personally rushed to the site to oversee what needs to be done, what support needs to be provided. And that was the attitude of the government of Gujarat also. The attitude was the same from government of India and the other people at the ministry also. And once we rushed to the site, we already saw, this was just within hours of the happening of the incident. So once I arrived at the site, the government of Gujarat already put in the necessary rescue teams. The response teams from all the concerned departments were working on ground actively, trying to rescue whatever is possible.